Berryman, the Sector Manager for Smart Manufacturing at Advantech. We're here at Automate 2019 to show our new solutions for Industry 4.0. In our solution set, we have different device connectivity options for connecting device to cloud. This is for legacy machinery to get cloud connectivity. In addition to that, for new machinery, we have our machine control automation solutions, PC-based using our partner CodeAssist solution for that. In addition to that, we are showing our machine vision, artificial intelligence, and deep learning solutions. So this is a computer-based solution for doing deep learning at the edge for applications like machine vision or optical inspection. Here we have an example of Advantech's machine control using an industrial PC, or an Uno industrial PC, running CodeAssist software, one of our partners. The industrial PC is talking a real-time field bus protocol, EtherCAT, to our EtherCAT I/O module, and the EtherCAT I/O module is then talking to the stepper drives. In addition to the control running inside the computer, also we have the visualization. So attached to the computer also is a 15-inch touchscreen computer to do the visualization of the control. Here we have an example of Advantech's condition-based monitoring wireless solution. We're using our Wizard wireless node, which uses a mesh network. The mesh network is also battery powered, talking to our wireless vibration monitor as well. So this gets information, the vibration and temperature data from the rotating equipment, transmits it to the wireless node, which in turn transmits it to the router. Here the router is talking the wireless mesh to the node, but then also is talking cellular up to the cloud. Here we have an example of a cloud dashboard used for operators to get remote data for troubleshooting.
Hi, I'm Matt Buzza, and I'm with Predictronics, an Advantech partner. We offer predictive analytics solutions for industrial applications. What we have here is our robot health monitoring solution, and what it does is it analyzes data from the robot collected through the Advantech Atom device, so it analyzes the motor current data. The reason we're excited to be partners with Advantech is because it's a very cost-effective way to collect the data that we need. And then ultimately our software will analyze that data and tell you if the robot is healthy or if it's close to failure. So as you can see here, the health of each robot indicated by color, green, yellow, and red. Red meaning that it's close to failure. You can also dive deeper to see the health over time, to see how the robot's trending, and also see which motor is failing. If you have any more questions, feel free to contact us at predictronics.com.
Thank you so much for watching. For more information, visit us at advantech.com. Thank you.